I am brave and athletic. I wonder if I can touch the bottom of the Pacific. I hear mysterious creatures cry and shout. I see big trench coming out of the sea bottom. I want to dive into water to embark on my discovery. I am brave and athletic. I pretend to dive to the deep water. I fear being dragged down by the water below me. I touch the hand that is dragging me down. I worry I get lost and drunk in the deep water. I cry because there is nothing with me. I am brave and athletic. I understand no man can dive to such depth. I say I can be good at diving. I dream I can get a job as a diver. I try getting myself stronger and braver. I hope I can have my own diving equipment. I am brave and athletic.